Hi everyone! So today's method is going to be the numberline method. We'll take a look at that with a couple of examples, and then that will be it for the addition method. So there's a worksheet on the website for you to practice them with, and obviously you can make up some of your own numbers as well. And then we'll look at subtraction methods. So it'll be the same methods for subtraction, but obviously they're slightly different because you're subtracting rather than adding. Okay, right, so let's take a look at the first question. Right, so to start with, we're going to do 144 add 232. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is draw your number line. Okay, it's just a rough length, doesn't matter how long at the moment. You might need to add to it after if you find it's going to take long. And then we're going to take the starting number, so I'm going to put a number 1 here. We're going to take 144 and put it at the start of our number line. And then my second number, we're going to separate into our hundreds, tens and ones. And we're going to start by adding the ones again, like we were doing with all the others. Always start with the ones. So we're going to need to add 2 ones. And so we can do add 2. So 144 add 2 is 146. And I write that down underneath there. So I can tick off I've done the ones. Now I'm going to add the tens. So I've got 3 tens here. You can do one big chunk of 30 if you want to. You could do one big chunk of 30. Or, if you feel better about it, you can do 3 jumps of 10. So I can do 1, 2, 3. And that way I can go 146, 156, 166, 176. Okay, so then I can tick the tens, and I can then add the hundreds. So again, you can do one big jump if you're confident, or do smaller jumps. I'm just going to do one big jump here. Plus 200, it's not too difficult to have 100 and 200 because our tens and ones aren't going to change at all. So that's going to be 376. Okay, and that is the method. So we'll do it again with another one. So you can see. Let's do 256 add 167. Okay, so again we're going to draw our number line. Draw our number line out. Start with our number 1, which is 256. Underneath here, that's an interesting 5 there. Hundreds, tens, ones. So I'm going to start by adding the 1, so I've got 7 ones. Okay, so if you're really confident that you can do 256 add 7, do your big jump of add 7. If you want to break it up and do smaller jumps, you can do your 7 jumps. So I'm going to draw my jumps first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I can add them 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263. So I can write that down there. And then I'm going to add my tens. Again, you can do one big jump of adding 60. Oh, I've got to stick off my ones. Or you can do 6 smaller jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can go 263, 273, 283, 293. It's a bit squishy if you write the numbers in. 200. Oh, actually, no, 293. We're going to go 303, 313, and then it'll be 323. Okay. Now I'm going to make my line a little bit longer. And now we can tick off the tens and add my 100. Which makes it 423. Okay. And that is the number line method for you. So that is a number line method. We will move on to look at subtraction next. Take care, everybody. Bye.